Here's a 58 mower deck restoration. Ain't been fooling too much with the shell so far, but been working on the spindles, just trying to get these things done, got them all tore apart. It's just some nasty stuff. I got the other deck hanger over my electrolysis tank right now, but yeah, pretty nasty stuff. It's the nasty part of the job. I'd rather do the cutting and the welding than this. All the burns feel tight. There's your burn right there. Nice and loose and nice and loose. And tight fitting. Ain't got all slop in it. But yeah, pretty nasty stuff. It's all grease and shit. Them right there were covered. I took a rag and wiped it off. You can see where them seals, where they've been packed so full of grease. But yeah, other than that, not too much going on. Original set nuts, adding the 129. The only thing in here is the super. But yeah, not too much else going on besides working on this. Here's the tensioner. Still got to I don't know about it. It's definitely going to have to get a new nut. It's pretty ate up, as you can see right there. I'm serious, that is rotted. Like never got some bitch off there. Oh my. And then nut for that. But then electrolysis tank, drop that whole fucking thing down in there. There's one. It ain't got all that much grease in it. But I'm gonna drop that down in there. Probably just drop everything but the burns down in there. Let it cook. But yeah, there's just an update on it. But I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.